Alright, welcome back. Today I'm going to start tearing my truck apart finally. First things first is I got to get this bed off and the bumper off. Probably going to be building a custom bumper, but I want the bed and bumper off so I can get it closer to the door and I'll have more room to work. The bed off, it'll give me more room to work on doing the cab corners. But also while my truck or my bed's off, I'm going to modify it to build like kind of a hybrid utility bed. Pickup box, I guess. The whole bed will be getting cut off somewhere in here, and then it'll be a box. It's a 6-foot box, and this is a 5.5-foot box. So I got some finagling to do, but I got some ideas. So let's do something. All right, truck looks a lot smaller without the box on. Here's where we're at, though. I got this off. My next step. I got some brake lines to fix. My vent valve on my tank needs fixed. Fuck you, Iowa, and your salt. Well, inner and outer rockers are off. Alright, now I'm applying some of this up in the holes that I won't be able to paint after everything's put back together, because those are going to be covered once I put the outer or the inner rockers back in. Also got it smeared up in that hole. This is my second pass with the rust dissolver jelly. I got this at Walmart. Napa has a pretty good product that you spray on, but I wanted the jelly so I could up there in those cubby holes get the jelly to soak into the stuff that's heavier rust, stuff I can't reach. The stuff Napa has the same way. You break everything loose on the surface, you apply it, you wait till it all turns black, you clean it off, do a second application, and then you got some clean steel to paint over. And then after I'm done wire brushing and cleaning and getting all that stuff out of the hole, I'm going to spray this in there so then I won't have to try to reach in there and sand the primer or anything. And after that one's dry, we'll put some of this in there, and then that little cubby hole will be sealed off. But with any luck, I put this much work into it, this truck will last, and my kids will be driving in high school if they want. Alright, this is as far as I got today. I got those pockets cleaned up. The flanges that are going to be in between that flange and the rocker panel primed. The inside of the pockets, I got rubber lined. And then here you can see what I'm working with. So this piece is what I cut out. And then, so that'll go back in there, and then I got the front piece over there on the table, and then once that piece is welded in, then the outside piece will be welded on. And then after that, the new cab corner will be welded on. Repeat that on the driver's side. Start doing body work, spend time doing said body work, end up with a new truck. But anywho, alright, thanks for watching, thanks for stopping, see you on the next one, have a great night.